I've had several of you message me, Michelle, where is the Halloween class, the stamp camp? And okay, everyone, it is here. I finally was able to pull it together and sit down yesterday and focus and get all the rest of the projects designed. So I'm going to share a few of them with you. The link, if you're on my emailing list, the link was emailed to you this morning. Several of you have already signed up for it. So thank you. That's awesome. And I have a sneak peek of some of the add-on classes as well. So I'm going to show you that. So I just wanted to hop on because typically this event sells out. So yes, I have a registration, but I usually only do so many. And so there's like 25% is already, or 20%, can't really think right. But just in the few hours this morning, we have about 20% signed up already. So Halloween Stamp Camp, it's like a regular class that I do, but there's, you're going to make 6 projects. It's not all cards. You're going to do 3 cards plus 8x8 shadow box, as well as a little box, a good sized little box, and a cute little bag. You're also going to get a little gift from me that we make you a Halloween little treat. And then there's not 1 but 2 add-on classes this time. So you will need the Scary Cute bundle. It's on low inventory, so you can add that on if you want. If for some reason it goes unorderable, you might not get it right away, but it's this stamp set along with a set of dies. It's $41.25. If you already have it, that's great. But this is the bundle we have. You will want the dies because I will be giving you the paper to die cut your little the intricate things. Any shapes and labels and circles and banners, we will die cut for you, but these have some intricate like little things, so you'll want the dies, or you can always substitute, okay? So the class, let's get to it. So again, I told you what the class is. There's over $30 worth of products. You're going to get some designer series paper, partial bolt ribbon and dots, and this really pretty washi tape. I'm missing the black one, but anyway, here is, you're gonna get a cute little gift from us. We're gonna make that for you. We have some really cute cards, really cute cards. You see that all these little fun things. Cute little bag. This is like a pretty, I mean, this is my hand. This is a pretty good sized bag. This I'm going to teach you how to make. It opens up. It's like, again, it's a pretty good size. You could put, I'm thinking of Halloween treats and candies or little gifts you could put in here. And then I know you guys always love my shadow boxes. So here's a Halloween one. And it's so cute. It's like so cute. So again, Halloween Stamp Camp. The deadline is, I believe, it's a little over a week from today, or until it sells out. And then there's 2 optional classes. All right. So both of the classes are only $25 each, and that's because I can include them in your shipping. And the first one is Soft Seedlings. Now, both of these classes do not come with the stamp set. So you need to have the stamp set or use something similar. Now, the Christmas one is just all words, so I'm sure you could substitute if you want, although the Brightest Christmas or Brightest Glow is an awesome stamp set. I fell in love with it. And then the Soft Seedlings, that's just one that I featured in my virtual card class this month. And so I know a lot of you ordered it already. So they both will include 5 cards. So this class, I only have 4, so this will have another card. And so you're going to get to make all of these. And I did include the vellum card from the virtual class because it was so cool. And then there's another one. So you're going to make 5 cards. But again, they come with some embellishments and products included in that $25. So they're really great value. So that's a fall. We have a fall add-on card class. And then we have a Christmas add-on card class. Again, that stamp set, I think the add-on is $25 if you don't have it, or use what you want. But this one also features our new embossing folders. And so we will emboss all of them for you for this class. But just really pretty Christmas cards. Here's another one. And you're going to get some sparkly stuff in this class. So some more embellishments and things. So This one is kind of a fun little fold. Thank you, Jennifer. She said she ordered hers. I did see your name come through. I appreciate you. So you can add on your classes to extend your stamp camp. This is shipped right to your door. I do have one day where I'm offering it here in my studio, so you can come and take it. I believe it might be October, let me look real quick. October 7th, so it's a Friday, and I gave you 4 hours. Now, it won't take you 4 hours, but people could come and go during that time frame. So you're not going to want to miss out on the cutest Halloween stamp camp. We got lots of fun projects, cards, and all of that fun stuff. So again, I wanted to hop on because a lot of people are ordering it, but then also I didn't want you guys to miss out on that email so you can get in. Okay, thank you everyone. I will be back Wednesday evening for our Facebook Live. My kids do not have cross country on Wednesday this week, so I will be back at my normal time, and I will probably be doing some Halloween creations for you, because before we know it, that will be here. And always, if you're not into Halloween, you can substitute the layouts for something for fall or Christmas as well. So that's what I love. Oh, I love your hearts. I see hearts floating all over the place. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And thank you for hopping on this Tuesday morning with me. If you have any questions about this stamp camp, so how will you know how to put your stamp camp together? You will get a PDF tutorial with all of the pictures and step-by-step directions, as well as all of the supplies. Now, for the most part, I just use a Memento black ink pad because of Halloween. The shadow box is the star of the show for sure, Jennifer. The shadow box, you'll need your own frame for the shadow box, and you can get those at the craft store, and black would look really nice for this, but this is the star that I know everyone loves, the shadow boxes. So a little home decor piece that you can set out in your home or your craft area, or give it away as a gift as well. And you can also add pictures to that. Like if you have like kids or grandkids or nieces or nephews, or even your spouse or your partner, you could, you know, put some fun little pictures in there too. So, okay, everyone, I got sidetracked. I don't know what I was saying, but thank you all for hopping on, and I will see you on Wednesday night. Bye, everyone.